welcome back to my channel. This is Markeisha, and today I will be sharing with you a swap that I did with my dear friend Betty, who is Scrap Passion 01. We like to get together and just challenge each other to pull out our dies, our machines, and our paper and just craft. And so we decided to swap fruit theme and bee theme, and so it was just embellishments. And guys, once I got started, I just had a ball with this. So I have lots to share. If you're interested in any of the products I use today, just please leave me a comment below and I will respond to your comment. Let's get crafty, guys. Let's get into this swap. So the first thing I'm going to share with you is Betty's birthday is also in June, so this is just a simple bag topper. I created this card, and this card was using a gift bag. Now, a little story behind this. Betty and I were out shopping, and I picked this gift bag up when we were out shopping. And so I thought it was super cute to make her a birthday card. This was an element that was on the card, a little tag. I added this little piping bag there. This ribbon was also part of the bag. And then I just put some on the back. If you open it up, and it's very dimensional, I simply added happy birthday to you. And then this was also part of the bag, the inside. It was double-sided, and I thought this came together very, very nicely. So this was just pretty with this paper on its own. You guys can see all the foil there, and so I didn't really want to cover it up. And then again, this is the bag topper. I'm going to put it on the bag and put it together. You have a gift card here. I'm not going to open it up, but it's closed with Velcro here. And so this will go in here. And then she got some more goodies, guys. I will come back later and I'll show you how everything is packaged up. So she has a swap, and she also has her birthday goodies, right? So I'm super excited. Okay, these were not going in any particular order. And so the paper that I use for my projects is a digital file. And so I decided to create some of these cute little shakers here. And then that paper is so pretty. It has the waffles, the lemons, and so pretty there. And then I created this little waffle myself with some clay. So super cute. And then this one is not a shaker, but I thought it was really cute. And that way you can see that paper even more. It is so gorgeous, guys. Look at that. So pretty. I love that it had the pink in it. And so that's what kind of drawn me to that. And then just because, again, I was on my silhouette and I was just finding things. And so I thought this was cute. This is a card. Betty can actually just give this to someone if she needs to give a quick message, a little fun card, maybe even to her daughters. And so that's a pink inside there. And then as you can see, I have like some drizzle there for some syrup. And I use this faux honey here. Betty actually turned me on to that. And so look how that turned out. And that's cute. So cute. And so again, you guys know I love packaging. And so I wanted it to kind of be inside of this paper here. And then here is that paper again. This is so cute. I just have a lemon, some little elements here, some flowers, some rosette here on the actual little door thing here. And this was a SVG file that I cut out. And so again, just love how everything kind of goes back in there. That is so pretty, so pretty. And then just add that little waffle back down in there. Isn't that cute? So you guys will kind of see that my theme was like pink lemonade, right? So so I also created some of the words here. This is honeybee. I won't read them all, but as you can see, lots of pink and yellow, again, to match the pink lemonade theme that I went with. All right. Here is some bag toppers, again, with that beautiful paper. Here is two embellishments here. This is using the little honey jars. And so what I really like about these, I decided to use some cork paper to use for the little wooden honey stick there. And so these are all cute. And I just used some stickers to kind of do it. Look how beautiful that paper is, guys, with the little beads on it. So cute, so cute. And then you gotta have a pink lemonade cake or pie, pink lemonade pie. And so this was a Spellbinders die, and I just added some little lemon on the top, And this was a separate die, so I put the plate with gold there. And then I wanted to play with this Memory Decks. This was actually like a coffee pot, but of course I turned it into pink lemonade, right? And so I have a little acetate on there, and very, very cute. It has lemon soda there, and the back is just plain there. And so she can just use this. And here is some beautiful lemons here, guys. She can put these on a card front or a layout. And so I created 3 of these. And what I did was I just distressed the lemons there with some oxide there. I think it was the pumpkin one. But these turned out so stinking cute. I love how these turned out. And they're all ready to go. All right, I did a couple of the bee theme little bows here. And so I don't know if you guys can see, or it's picking it up, maybe when I do my hand here, you can see here where the honey kind of looks like it's glazed over there. Again, I used the faux honey here to give it a little glaze, and I love how it turned out. And so these are just some cute little bee bows here that she can add to a project. Kind of went bow crazy because I like that paper. So here is using that pink, and this is like that Christmas drippy bow there. But these turned out so cute. All right, here's some more. So cute, so cute. All right, here for her. They are the pink lemonade donuts in this acetate here. It says so very sweet. These are cute. She can just add them to a project. She can even embellish a little bit more if she wanted to with those. I also made some buttons, guys. Look at that. This is my first time making buttons, and I think they came out super cute. I love how they turned out. So she has some buttons. These are just some random lemon slices here. I did some pink ones, the pink lemonade, and she could just add those to a project very, very quick and easy. But I wanted to show, these were just kind of like the little, what is it called? Little picnic blanket there. Kind of moving on to maybe like the strawberry. So I created some strawberry pies here. These are dimensional here. So cute. I love how they turned out. I used some of the stickles here for the inside. So I used this pop stickles here to kind of give it a little jelly look for the strawberries, and added some glossy accent on these. And so these are so pretty. So I also created these shakers here. So pretty. Isn't that that ribbon is so cute there. Strawberry fields and life is short, make it sweet. I love it. And that's using the strawberry paper that we all have there. So the apple theme, I created these, and these are like a 3x3 card. And so I have some glossy accent here. I have some of these little nut pieces here. This came from the Greetery. It says never give up. When you open it up, she can actually put a note card in here. And so this was using a die, and I just, made it into a 3x3 card. And you are enough, and that's the inside. So those are there. And I also created these super cute little die cuts here. See if you can see those. Those are so pretty. I added some glossy accent onto the apples there. And these are just, something she can add to a project if she wanted to do something apple related. And I have some strawberries. So here's the strawberries. I cut these out on my silhouette. This is a velvet paper here. So pretty. These strawberries, like chocolate covered strawberries, and the pink covered strawberries there. So pretty. Look at that. And they're all ready to go, guys. So she has a variety of fruits and little embellishments she can kind of use. With the strawberry, I cut this out on my silhouette here. This is the little strawberry shortcake. This says Strawberry Fields Forever. Just a cute little strawberry basket here. And in the inside, I have just a little case I got from the Dollar Tree. And when you open it up, there is some really cute little clips there. All right, and of course I have some bag toppers that I'm going to add to everything. And so I'm just gonna go through them really quickly. That's one of them there. And like I said, I'll come back and I'll show you how everything comes together. This is a stick with some of that faux honey on there, a little spoon rather, with a little bee there. And here is another one here. All right, guys, I also made Betty this candy apple, pink lemonade candy apple. Say that 3 times. This turned out so cute. I had so much fun creating this, guys. It is sparkly there, lots of glitter. I made these little chocolate pieces there. This is a little lemon slice. Again, so cute, guys. This was so fun with a little bee there. So I really hope that Betty likes it. It has a little dangle on the top there. So cute, guys. So cute. So I found this little jar here at the Dollar Tree, a little lemon, and I just put some pink and some yellow beads in here. And this is just a set of beads here, and I just made a little belly band and added it there. Look at that. I am proud of these little clay waffles I have here. So this is a waffle here, and then I have a little butter on top of it. It says be sweet, be kind there. And so that's that. And then here is another, I'm not going to open these up, but here's another one, just a little simple belly band there with that beautiful paper again. Didn't want to over embellish that. And then here is a container just full of lots of cabochons with different fruits there. This little shabby pretty ribbon here, I got it from Hobby Lobby, and it is so shabby, so pretty. And so that little bow is just on there like that. All right, and I also made this, and so this was just a little rolling pin in my stash. I put Be Happy on there. I painted it pink and then just gave it some little of that snow ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and then some of the lemon ribbon there. So cute, so cute. And so again, you guys know I'm all about presentation, so this is just going to be a little element to stick into the bag that I have for her. Thanks guys so much for stopping by my channel. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love if you would take a moment and hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so that you won't miss any of my uploads. I'm also on Instagram. You can check me out at Markeisha Turner 7. I like to post things on there that's not always related to crafting, just a little bit of my life on there. So if you're not following me over there, I would love for a follow. And I will talk to you guys in my next crafty video. Bye now.